Energy Balancing Starter Kit number 1. Energy Balancing Starter Kit number 1, Part A. Balancing the Earth Energy. 4. Grounding. 1. Stand regular, bare feet on the soil, sand, wood, stone, marble, wooden rocks, or wear magnet insoles. 2. Surround yourself with earth elements at home and in your office, such as gems, crystals, tiles, stone, marble, wool, rocks, and wood. Number 3. Wear clothes having earth colors, red, brown, burgundy, and black, or have them around you in furniture, curtains, and decorations. Number 4. Spend time in nature and do regular garden work. Number 5. Spend time in the fitness studio with lots of iron and steel and perform very slow exercises focusing on the motion towards the earth. Number 6. Exercise to connect with your physical body. Number 7. Consume earth energy related foods, foods that grow below the soil. Number 8. Make sure to have a good night's sleep in a cozy environment with lots of earth elements. Number 9. Take plenty of breaks during the day. Number 10. Go for massages to feel and to connect with your body. Number 11. Smell earth essences such as cedar wood and sandalwood. Number 12. Listen to earth energy connecting music compositions, such as nature sounds and classical music. Number 13. Exercise your buttocks that stand symbolically for courage. Show your butt. Number 14. Practice proper posture training and go for spinal alignments. Number 15. Serve the Creator and all creatures and creations without reward in mind, and live in this way a fulfilled life without the need to fill up with other things. Stay aware that the only security in the duality adventure in life is death, and that we just need to have some connections to experience that feeling of being connected to the earth and our body. Part B. For cleaning and assisting the elimination force. Number 1. Learn to assist yourself in all life's aspects rather than to control and carry, which will result in constipation on a physical, mental, or emotional level. Assist yourself in your relationship with all your characters, your health, your way of fitness nourishing your body, in your relationship, your family and children, and your business. Number 2. Let go of the past and even the last moment, for when you hold on, you have no space for new to experience. Number 3. We came without any worldly possessions and will go without, but can see that all we experience is a momentary gift and connect with a higher virtue called selflessness. Number 4. As the world around us is a reflection of ourselves, we may also assist in the cleaning of our direct environment, and doing this with biodegradable cleaning products. Go through your home and office and give away or throw away things you do not use on a regular basis. Number 6. Clean your head, which is also helpful, and write down all the things you try to hold on to, such as unresolved issues, fear, and anger, and write them off by throwing the paper away. 7. Take herbal fibers for colon cleanse or go for colon therapy and clean old waste material. Number 8. Do detoxifying foot and total body baths with mud and ginger and other cleaning assisting elements. Make body wraps with cleaning assisting products such as clay and potato. Number 9. Go on the web and look for natural organ cleanse programs and adventure the cleaning of various organs which have waste and crystallizations. Number 10. Do cardio fitness to assist the burning of waste and weight. With every exercise, concentrate on getting away from the Earth gravity. Number 11. Go on a juice fast with cleaning assisting healing properties coming from below the earth, such as beet, carrots, potato, ginger, onion, radish, or in the form of powders to mix them with water and juices such as carrot and beet crystals or ginseng. Number 12. Go for elimination assisting therapies such as specific massages, reflexology, and gua sha detox therapy. Number 13. Exercise on a mini trampoline to train the contracting and eliminating force of the colon, but also to get away from the gravity. 14. Consume more foods with natural fibers, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and sprouted breads. Number 15. Sit in a squat position, and do inner thigh stretches, symbolically assisting you to let go of control. Explore also in the world of homeopathy, herbology, Bach flower, acupuncture, and many more. Make a deeper study of many of these suggestions. There are books, seminars, and internet sites. Study more regarding the 7-dimensional Sacred Wisdom map and look at all the information in the red boxes.